Welcome back to English with Adi. Today, we learn phrases about lunchtime. The middle of the day is a very busy time for English conversation. Ordering food, talking with friends, taking a break at work. All of this happens at lunchtime. So, let us learn how to talk about lunchtime together in English. It is lunchtime and we are feeling hungry. In English, we say, I am starving. What is for lunch? Say it slowly. I am starving. What is for lunch? We also say, I could really do with something to eat right now. Slowly. I could really do with something to eat right now. In the UK, people say, I'm a bit peckish. Shall we grab some lunch? Peckish means feeling a little hungry. I am a bit peckish. Shall we grab some lunch? Grab some lunch means go and get lunch quickly. Now we decide what to eat. In English, we say, what do you feel like eating? Say it slowly. What do you feel like eating? We also say, I cannot decide what to have for lunch. Slowly. I cannot decide what to have for lunch. In the UK, people say, what do you fancy for lunch? Fancy means to want or feel like eating something. What do you fancy for lunch? We reply, I fancy a sandwich today. I fancy a sandwich today. Or we say, I am in the mood for soup. I am in the mood for soup. Now we order our food. In English, we say, can I have the chicken sandwich, please? Say it slowly. Can I have the chicken sandwich, please? The waiter asks, would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink? We reply, just a water, please. Still or sparkling? Just a water, please. Still or sparkling? Still means no bubbles. Sparkling means with bubbles. In the UK, the waiter says, are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? We reply, yes, please. I will have the soup of the day. Yes, please. I will have the soup of the day. The food has arrived. Time to eat. In English, we say, this looks absolutely delicious. Say it slowly. This looks absolutely delicious. After the first bite, we say, oh wow, this is really good. Say it with feeling. Oh wow, this is really good. We also say, this is exactly what I needed. Slowly. This is exactly what I needed. In the UK, people say, this is lovely. Really hits the spot. Hits the spot means the food is perfect for what you wanted. This is lovely. Really hits the spot. Lunch is finished. Now we pay the bill. In England, people say, can we have the bill, please? Say it slowly. Can we have the bill, please? In the USA, people say, Can we get the check, please? Check is the American word for bill. Can we get the check, please? We also say, shall we split the bill? Slowly. Shall we split the bill? Split the bill means everyone pays for themselves. In the UK, people say, let us go Dutch today. Go Dutch means each person pays their own share. Let us go Dutch today. Wonderful work today! Let us quickly review all our lunchtime phrases. 1. I am starving. What is for lunch? 2. I am a bit peckish. 3. What do you fancy for lunch? 4. Can I have the chicken sandwich, please? 5. Would you like anything to drink? 6. This looks absolutely delicious. 7. This really hits the spot. 8. Can we have the bill, please? 9. Shall we split the bill? 10. Let us go Dutch today. Practice these phrases every time you eat lunch, at a restaurant, at a cafe, or even at home. Your English will grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these lunchtime phrases helped you. Next time, when you go to a cafe or restaurant for lunch, try to use these phrases. Order your food in English. Pay the bill in English. And enjoy every single moment. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to English with Adi for a brand new simple English video every single week. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your lunch. Goodbye for now.